Hi, the Science Chef is here again. In this video, you'll be learning about the types of chemical reactions, their features, and examples. Don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. Generally, a chemical reaction is one in which one or two substances undergo a change to form new substances. In other words, every chemical reaction consists of two components, namely the reactants, which are the substances undergoing the change, and the products, which are the new substances formed after the change. There are numerous chemical reactions, but for the purpose of this lesson, we shall be looking at the following types of reactions: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, combustion reaction, displacement reaction, precipitation or double decomposition reaction, reversible reaction, catalytic reaction, and redox reaction. Just as the name implies, a combination reaction is one in which two or more reactants combine to form only one product. Emphasis is on the formation of a single product and can be generally represented as A plus B giving us C. It can occur between two elements, for example, in the reaction between hydrogen gas and oxygen gas to form water, and sodium and chlorine to form sodium chloride salt. It can also occur between a compound and an element, as seen in the reaction between carbon 4 oxide and carbon to form carbon 2 oxide, and carbon 2 oxide and oxygen to produce carbon 4 oxide. Or it can take place between two compounds, like in the reaction between lead 4 oxide and sulfur 4 oxide to form lead 2 tetraoxosulfate 6, and calcium oxide and silicon 4 oxide to form calcium triosilicate 4. You can see that though these reactions occur under different conditions, but the things common to all of them are that they have more than one reactant and only one product. Next is decomposition reaction. A reaction in which one reactant breaks down to form two or more products is said to be a decomposition reaction. It is the opposite of combination reaction and is represented as A, giving us B and C. The decomposition reaction can be catalytic or thermal. When the change occurs in the presence of a catalyst, it is called a catalytic decomposition. For instance, the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide to form water and oxygen gas in the presence of manganese 4 oxide. The manganese 4 oxide acts as a catalyst in the reaction. Meanwhile, the change that occurs in the presence of heat is called thermal decomposition. Example: the thermal decomposition of copper 2 triethylnitrate 5 to form copper 2 oxide nitrogen 4 oxide and oxygen gas, and the thermal decomposition of aluminium hydroxide to form aluminium oxide and water. The small triangle above the arrow represents source of heat. So, what is common to the reactions showing on the screen? Yes, you're right. They all have only one reactant and more than one product. Next is